Welcome to the As for Shamsi YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain why your Gree air conditioner shows the S6 error, what causes it, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. As you can see here, the indoor unit of the Gree AC is showing the S6 error. The reason is simple. This error usually happens when the indoor fan motor is jammed or not working properly. So first, let's switch off the unit. Now I will check the fan motor. I am trying to rotate it by hand, but it is not moving. This clearly indicates there is a problem. Most of the time the fan motor gets jammed due to dust buildup or lack of lubrication. I will go ahead and clean the fan motor. Now that it's clean, you can see it spins freely and smoothly. Let's turn on the AC back on and check if the error is gone. As we power on the unit and set it to cool mode, you can see it's running perfectly fine. And the S6 error is no longer displayed. So in short, the Gree AC S6 error usually happens due to a jammed fan motor, a faulty motor, or wiring issue. Clean or fixing the motor often solve the problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to As for Shamsi for more AC repair tips and troubleshooting guides. Thank you very much.